Yo, what's up everyone? I hope you're doing well. Today I just want to do a very quick video on styling proportions in an outfit and how to properly do it. And I use properly do it in a very loose term because there is no right or wrong way to use proportions in an outfit. It's just a tool when styling to accentuate something that you're trying to convey. So you might want really big chunky sneakers and then a small top, right? You might want that silhouette that kind of goes like skinny to wider, or the opposite. Maybe you want something kind of baggy on top and like slimmer pants. Like I'll do that occasionally. So if you watch my videos or you follow me on Instagram or something, I usually talk a lot about like silhouettes and proportions. Like I'll be like, oh wow, the proportions match, or oh, this is a really nice silhouette. Basically those terms I use pretty much are the same, meaning just kind of like the size of something. So you know, like the size of, you know, shoes, for example. So whether like it's like really big chunky shoes or really skinny shoes, or a big oversized jacket or a tight fitting jacket, you know, those are just the proportions in relation to other things in an outfit. So in this video, I'm going to show an outfit that inherently nothing's really wrong with, but I don't really like the proportions of it, and then I'm going to improve it by increasing the other things in the outfit, and then another version where I decrease the size of the other things in the outfit to make it match. So this base outfit right here, inherently there's nothing wrong with it, and I put it on and I was like, actually, that's not that bad. Anyways, so on my feet, I am wearing these acronym Vapor Maxes. These are, well, they're just straight up Vapor Maxes with acronym branding on it, but they're very slim, right? And then for pants, I'm wearing the ACG Fall Winter 18 cargo pants. They're quite baggy and kind of have a wider silhouette to it, and they're pretty chunky, honestly. And then for a top, I'm just wearing this Alexander Wang Uniqlo Airism tee, and it's not super tight, but it is a nice, well-fitting t-shirt on me. Not too baggy, not too skinny, fits very nicely, right? So inherently, there's nothing wrong with this outfit right here. However, the proportions kind of throw me off a little bit. So to improve this outfit, to make it a little bit more chunkier, in my opinion, by the way, is the first thing I'm going to do is just swap out the shoes for something a little bit chunkier. These like acronym Air Force Ones really do the job. It's a nice kind of chunky sneaker to it. You could use pretty much any chunky shoe though, just to kind of match the proportions of the baggy pants with some wider, bulkier shoes. And even keeping the same kind of slimmer, Alexander Wang t-shirt, I think this outfit really works. I'm actually wearing it right now. So there's nothing wrong with this outfit. I really like it. However, if you want to take it one step further to continue that kind of idea of oversized and chunky, I just swapped out the t-shirt for a more oversized t-shirt from the Uniqlo U collection from like spring, summer 19. And again, this is just really oversized, really drapey. It's got long sleeve, a boxier fit, definitely matches the proportions of the pants and the shoes much more than the other one. But yeah, no, that is just a very simple way to kind of make an outfit look a little bit more cohesive and just kind of make things flow nicer together in an outfit. Now, starting at that base outfit again, let's say you really want to wear those acronym Vapor Maxes and you really want to wear this top that's a little bit more fitted. Well, looking at this outfit, the pants are really chunky and kind of oversized. So just swapping out the pants for something like these tailored Wrangler Outdoor Series pants from Target. It was like 24 bucks for the pants, and then I think I spent like 20 on to get them tailored. They actually look a lot like the acronym P10s, especially for 40 bucks too. Anyways, so just swapping out the pants and keeping the rest of the outfit, it just looks much more cohesive. And like it flows much better head to toe, in my opinion, and just looks smoother, and the whole silhouette and proportions are much nicer. Again, there are no right or wrong ways to use proportions in an outfit. These are just basic guidelines I generally use on a day-to-day basis to try and create more cohesive outfits. Just little tools here and there to make outfits look a little bit more put together. So having matching proportions does not equal a good outfit. In fact, you could actually have a really good outfit where the proportions are kind of whack in it, because maybe you want those really wide, like chunky sneakers and wider pants, and then you go up to a slimmer top. That might be a look you're going for. But styling proportions in an outfit is just something to be conscious of Just like how when I did that tones video, again, you don't need matching tones to have a really good outfit, but it is something to be conscious of when putting an outfit together. So if you like this video, if you wouldn't mind leaving a like, and just really helps out the channel quite a bit. And yeah, I will see you guys in a video pretty soon, so stay safe out there. And yeah, see ya.